Maybe you have logged into your account on somebody's device and you forgot to log out. And now you don't have access to that device. Then this video is for you. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simon T. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out to your Facebook account on all devices. So if you're with me, let's go to screen. The first thing you log into your account. And when you log into your account, you look at this three line up here. This three line at the top right corner here, you click on it. And then you scroll down to privacy and setting. You click on privacy or settings and privacy. Once you click on that privacy and settings, you click on settings. You click on settings, then you scroll down to security and login. Once you click on security and login, you click on CO. Look at CO. Click on this CO. So from this CO, you click on log out of all section. That is log out of all section. Click on this log out of all section, and then you click on log out. So once you click on this log out, everything will log out. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.